Poopino.
I saw it and I was like, I gotta get this for Keegan.
Oh, we did it. It buzzed up a balloon or something.
Oh, I don't know. I've never seen it.
Just when you don't do them somewhere that you.
I don't think it's working. Oh,
Yeah,
there you go.
no, we did it last night.
Ew.
Oh,
You can get back a little bit.
is it supposed to be doing that?
It's coming out in this side. Look at it.
That's gross. That's like the worm we did last night, Alex. Ew, that's disgusting.
Why is it on fire?
It's pooping. It's pooping out the butt.
Pooping.